Hello viewers, hope you're doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to display the comments in React application. So let's get started. Let's navigate to the VS Code. Let me open here index.css file. So here I'm going to add the styling properties for body. After that, let me open here app component. Let's scroll on the top. Inside the app function, let me add here the use state for comments. Inside the array, we have a few hard-coded comments with a text and the timestamp. After adding the use state, I'm going to add the tag for div for the comment section after the whiteboard section. So as you can see, the tag for div, on this tag we have the few styling properties. Inside this div tag, we have the tag for h2 with a caption comments. After the h2 tag, we have the tag for div for the scrollable comments. Inside this, I'm going to add here the condition where we have to check the length of the comments. If a length is 0, then we have to show this div with a caption no comments yet. In case if a length greater than 0, then I'm going to call the JavaScript function map on the use state comments. Inside the map function, we have a predicate comment. This will hold a single comment from the comments use state, and this variable will hold the array index. Inside this, I'm going to add here the tag for div. On this tag, we have a props key with a value index to make this div unique. After that, we have a few styling properties on this div tag. Inside this, we have the tag for span, where we have to show the text of the comment. After that, we have the tag for small, where we have to show the timestamp of the comment. Now you can take a look of a app component. Let's navigate to the browser. As you can see, the section for comment, where we can see a few hard-coded comments with a text and the timestamp. So that's all for now from my side. Thanks for watching.